All right, so whether you have a free or a paid LinkedIn account, we're given this amazing real estate on the internet. It is the way that people are finding you when they Google you or they Google your business or industry. So today I want to help you optimize this by sharing 3 of the biggest things that you need to be doing to make your profile stand out and to build trust within your industry. So my name is Kristen Dyck. I am the founder of Avro Creative, where I'm a personal branding strategist. And I work with driven women like you to help you overcome imposter syndrome and communicate your value so that you can build a results-based personal brand and get the career that you want. So today we're talking all about LinkedIn. Okay, so the first thing that I want you to make sure that you are doing on LinkedIn, go to your profile and check all the new features on it and complete them. Make sure that from top to bottom that your profile is complete. When you get your profile complete, you'll get a little badge on there and it'll say All-Star. So congratulations, you're going to become, if you're not already, a LinkedIn All-Star. So what you want to do is, like I said, go through top to bottom, fill it out, go the extra mile, make sure that you have your top skills pinned, that you are getting endorsements for your skills, and that people are leaving recommendations for you. That's the most important thing, because when people do come to your profile, you want them to see that you are active on the platform, and they aren't going to think that if they see that you don't have your pronunciation listed, if you don't have anything in the featured section. There's a whole bunch of new features to our profiles that LinkedIn has added in the last couple of years. So if you haven't updated your profile, you're going to want to do that, and then mark a note in your calendar to get back in there, make some updates every quarter. Okay, so you've got a complete profile. Congratulations. The next thing that you want to do is to start engaging with other people on the platform in order to build your network. And you're not building your network willy-nilly. You're not reaching out to anybody and everybody. You are being strategic. You're thinking about who you want to get to know, who can you help, who can help you. So make decisions based on that. And so you want to engage by commenting on other people's posts. You want to engage by sending people messages, commenting on their posts, commenting on their work, things like that. Another great thing that you can do is join groups. There's a whole bunch of groups on LinkedIn. Some of them are more active, some of them are very inactive. So get in there, get to know the people in there. They're based on a specific topic or industry. These can be a great place to build your network around a certain idea or a certain area of your work. So get in there, get to know some people, start sharing content within that group, comment on other people's posts within that group, ask a question, answer a question. Social media is all about reciprocity. All right, so number 3, the third thing you need to do, and this might be the hardest thing for a lot of you, and that is creating your own content. And when I say creating your own content, I don't mean resharing other people's or sharing articles and things like that. I mean actually writing your own posts, writing articles within LinkedIn, or creating videos to share on the platform. So the reason that it's important to create your very own content is it positions you as someone very knowledgeable about the subjects that you're talking about. And in doing so, you're actually building yourself into a thought leader. You're someone who is seen as credible, as knowledgeable, and visible. They need to know and see you talking about these things in order for them to be aware that you have this knowledge and that you even exist. So get out there, create that content, and you are going to be off and running, and you're truly maximizing LinkedIn. And if you want to learn more about the power of LinkedIn and what you can do to attract tons of opportunities to you, then you want to check out my course, Opportunity Magnet. It's available on my website right now, and it's linked below.